Most people, when it comes to products, they don't even know that they have products that they can put on. So I'm going to show you how you can add products. Even if you think you don't have any, there's certain things that you can do with that actually makes perfect sense. All right, let's check out some products. So since we're redoing this whole thing right now, this is perfect to take a look at it. And most people don't even understand, like, you have a lot of products that you can do, and people just don't think so. Like, this is a real estate company right here. You're probably thinking, like, well, I mean, you don't really sell products, do you? And it's like, well, yeah, we sell houses. We actually have a lot of products. We have thousands of products. So you can see right here on the listing, products, these are neighborhoods. Every one of these is a neighborhood. These are products. So if I click on this, it's going to bring up a little something about it, right? These are different neighborhoods that are inside of Summerlin. And when I click here, it's going to bring me to homes for sale in Summerlin. This is all Summerlin right here. There's quite a few properties, 245 right there specifically. These are all products. So it's like, okay, great. How do we add these things in here? You come up to edit products right there, and you can just come in, you can add products. So these are all different neighborhoods, and we add new ones all the time. We try to just add a new one here and there to actually make it make sense. Let's go say add product. You need a product name. What's the category? This is just residential listings, Summerlin homes for sale. We're adding more categories as well as we go through here. Product price. This is if you actually have a price for your product. We don't have straight pricing when it comes to houses. Everything's negotiable. Product description. You got up to 1,000 characters. If you need help writing this stuff, ChatGPT is awesome. It's a really, really good AI, but against a starting point, you need to just take some stuff, tweak it from there, and then product landing page URL. So that's what you saw as far as where people are going to for the search. And then I always recommend a photo. So if it is a straight physical product, you know, whether it's a bottle of wine, a hat, a car, whatever, put a really nice photo right there. But make sure you put your product name, choose your category, price, description, and where people are going to be. Hit publish. That's simply it. And then now when people actually look at your listing, they're going to see different products that you actually have. And then see the categories here. You're going to see more categories down there because we're adding all of this stuff in. You'll see all these categories. We'll do that in another video. But you'll see all these categories right here. So what's cool is you're going to be able to see the way that this listing right here, once we're done with everything at the end of this course, you're going to see how it just goes absolutely bonkers, nuts, how it gets a ton of traffic. And I'll show you a couple of our clients as well that actually get really, really good results and a ridiculous amount of traffic from this exact situation as far as what we're doing here. So anyway, that is how you take care of the products. That's how you're going to add the products. It's very, very simple. And just don't add a ton at the same time. Do like 5, 6, 7, another day, 5, 6, 7. The more you add stuff consistently to your listing, no matter what it is, it's going to allow Google to see that you're actually showing progress every single day on your stuff. So that's the products. Very simple to do. Very important to make sure you fill everything out. Add some keywords in the description.